Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Tech Movie Guy, where everything's tech related and movie related. Well, I'm going to show y'all how to mount this big, huge 65-inch TV, the new Sony Bravia 3. So you want to start off by getting your entertainment center measured. So I know it's 29 inches in height and 52 inches long. So I want to have my TV just above that, about 3 inches. Because I don't have to put a sound bar underneath it. It's about 3 inches. Hey guys, once you get your entertainment center measured and taped off, like this, use painter tape so don't stick to the wall, don't use pencil. This shit gets on my nerves, that's not professional. You wanna make sure the lines are nice and even like that, and I do the same thing for the sound bar. That's what the top of the entertainment center is gonna be. You go up 3 inches. Then you gotta put the sound bar right here. Cause I can't keep my sound bar on the stand. So it could be right here probably. So I need to go do some more measures. So you get your sound bar height and length. Mine is about 2.5, so I'm up to 3 inches high. And the length is 49 inches. So you take that, you get your little measuring stick out. And make it level as you can, guys, with your painter tape. So that's right there. So what you want to do is you want to measure your TV next. You want to give it some clearance because you can pull it out. And I say about 3-inch clearance. Okay, where the bottom of the TV needs to be. So we're gonna see if it's just might be too big. I'm not going too big. You ever go too big though? Okay, now that's better. Now you gotta measure where the holes are and see if your studs are gonna line up. So guys, I'm back. What you wanna do is you wanna measure your TV length, width, height, and then you wanna take a ruler, make sure it's straight, like one of these, line it all out. I think I've gone too big, guys. We're about to see. So, as you see, it's straight. I don't know. It looks like it's not, but you guys, it's even. But for some reason, it don't look even. Okay, guys, got my helper here cast. Next, you want to take the screws out. There should be 4 screws, and then you're having your package that came with the TV. So 4 screws you screw into the back, right back here, and then. Cassie wants to help, but I told him he can't help with this, but he can help with the other thing. Okay, then you gotta follow the manual, put the screws in the back like that, and every man different. And you walk over here, you use the template right here. It comes with the mount. You have to find the studs. There's 3 studs right here, stud right there. Then you can take a drill, take the screws that come with the package, and take your impact, you can drill it in the hose, make sure it's even, nice and straight. I try to go up another 3 inches to give me some more clearance, and it's even. I take the thing like that, and y'all can see that it's even. As you can see, that little bubble is right in between the middle, like it's supposed to be. Now it's time to pick it up and put it on your mount. Gently by yourself. Now it's mounted. See you guys? Perfect. Just like I wanted it to be at. I decided to go with adjustable mount so I can move it because I got a wide view angle, even though this is an IPS panel. So it's gonna have good view angles in where you sit. So now it's time to take the cardboard off and the plastic off. And guys, there's really not that many screen protector on it besides that cardboard I pulled off. They got these little screen protectors on the side of it. But so it's kind of disappointing. Okay, guys, the TV is wall mounted. So please like and subscribe. The next video after this could be part 3, my review of the TV and who should buy it and if you should not buy it. But so far, what I've seen so far for the couple weeks I've had it, it's amazing TV, guys. For LED, it's amazing. So go like and subscribe and look forward for the few reviews coming in a couple of weeks.